Hey everyone, I'm Kyle Burkford with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm going to run you through quick the new trade we just brought in 2018 485 HTS GAleon. Great looking boat here. Come with me as I show you around. All right, here we are on the back of the 485 HTS GAleon. You can see it's got the submersible swim platform with telescoping steps. Also, it's all covered in teak. As you walk through, you got a nice entryway, 3 steps, escalade right up into the cockpit. You got wraparound seating with the table. This table will also fold down and fill in the whole compartment here. Also, you come through into the cabin, teak flooring throughout, more seating, a great teak table. One of the coolest features of this boat is how the back transom window will go down into the bilge and you can have it indoor outdoor feel. Awesome option on this boat. As you come forward, you'll see the Helm, great layout with the Raymarine screen. Also, you'll have your Volvo Pinta information as well. It's got the IPS joystick. As we go down into the cabin, you'll have the kitchen here. Very nice Alcantara suede throughout. The woodwork on this boat is amazing, as you can see in the inlet of the door. As you come over here, you'll have your wraparound couch and seating area. Nice table there if you want to eat. Your main control panel is very simple, easy to access right up here. And then you have your entertainment TV on the wall there. If you go into the forward berth, you have a nice seating or sleeping arrangement here. Good room around the sides along with storage all throughout. As you can see, it's got the awesome cathedral style wood ceiling in here as well. You have a nice large closet there, and then access into the head and wet shower here. Follow me back to the full beam aft stateroom. This is amazing space and headroom here. Be able to walk all the way around the bed. You got closets, and you also got extra seating here to get ready for the day. So great boat here from GAleon. Once again, this is Kyle Burkford with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Also, if you want to come and take a closer look at this boat, come down to the marina and we'll get you out on the water and really see what this boat can do.